Hi, welcome to JP Bashed. I'm JP and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. And the car that we're going to unbox is, yes, it's another Arrma Typhon TLR tuned. Why am I buying another Typhon? Well, they're amazing, and when I bought this one, my son robbed it straight off me. I have not really had much of a go with it, to be honest. He bought a set of wheels for it. He put a wheelie bar on it, and then he went, now it's mine. Thanks, Ollie. So here we go. Let's get the unboxing underway. So here we go, peeps. Let's get this beast opened up. There we have it. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh. As Lightning says, lots of jibber jabber. Hit the track, race ready. Look at all the extra bits on this baby. Beautiful jibber jabber. I believe it's all aluminium 7075. Shock towers, the actual chassis, the hinges. I think there's another plate there on the steering, not quite sure what you call it. But yeah, let's get it open. And there she is, looking all pretty. Right, so what have we got in this box? So yeah, nice little kit in there, some batteries for the transmitter, a little spoiler you can put on the back, which helps with the speed runs and downforce, a few little tools, and these little plastic inserts, which are all about changing the suspension geometry depending on how you want to set the car up, which is pretty useful. And some more spares, and oh look, some screws as well, and nuts. Don't know what they're for. Always nice to have spare stuff though. We've got some Allen keys in there. We've got a wheel wrench. We've got two different trims that go on the spoiler for downforce. We've got a load of stickers. We love some stickers. And actually, I'm going to quickly show you this, because this manual really impressed me. And they don't normally, but this one really impressed me because of how much detail they go in on how to set the car up. So let me just show you. Get past these pages. Blah de blah de blah. You've got here, you've got all the different settings. Sorry about the camera action, the lighting's not great. So yeah, you've got all your different settings there for your ESC, and then you've got, as you get into it, it tells you all about your diffs. But where's the interesting stuff? Your shocks. And there you go, these are these inserts that go into your hinges, which change the geometry, and it gives you little charts of all the different ones that you put in for all the different settings, front and rear. Again, more detailed on the tuning of it. Shows you how to get your front kick up and activate your caster more. There's the bit on the spoilers with the extra little bits that you can put on. Tuning. Shows you about the height, shows you how to set up your camber, shows you how to set up your toe, shows you how to set up your Ackerman, which is to do with how quickly and aggressively it turns, and how it comes out of corners and stuff. So yeah, there we have the manual and all the bits. And also, I don't know what control it comes with. I think it's probably one of the standard ones, but there it is, does the job, does what you need it to. It's got a nice little setting on the Armour ones, 50, 75 and 100 power, which is quite nice. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Let's have a look at the car itself. More stickers. Stickers, stickers, stickers. There we have it. Typhon TLR tunes. So there's the front of the car. There's a little side action shot for you. There's a bit of rear action. We all like a bit of rear action. Whoop. There's the bottom. So it comes with little buggy D boots. These are good little tyres. They're not really good though, I wouldn't say, for bashing. And one thing, if you do get one of these, is check your camber. And the reason I say that is the last one we got, the camber was really negative on the rear. So much so I think it burnt the inside of the tyres. So this time it's set on 96.5 on that side, and oh, I think it's slightly different on this one. Let's get a quick measurement on that. And yeah, that's on like 99 on that side. Just double check that. Yeah, so massive difference just on the camber settings straight out of the box. So definitely get your camber settings checked and set up, otherwise you'll burn these out. However, I have got a few mods. So straight away I've got the wheelie bar, which fits on really easy. Literally undo these screws either side and it goes in there, nice and simple to fit. We've also got the titanium grade 5 lower pins and the upper pins to fit. 4 lower pins, 2 front, 2 rear, and 2 upper pins on the front only, and that will make it a lot more robust. What can we say? It just looks really nice. Ooh, that's nice. It's all very nice. It'll only stay nice and clean for about a day, but it does look lovely. So nice that I don't want to take it out. But anyway, what I was going to say, I have also got a set of these MT8 uphills. These are a fantastic wheel for this vehicle. Great tyres. They've got MFT technology, microfiber technology in the rubber. They're sticky. They're a great wheel. We've already tried and tested it on the existing beast, and yet these are great for bashing. So these will be going straight on. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.